Okay, I saved as, so we have this one named with every step is convenient to save as. So let me see where it is. Here it is. We're going to create each of the boxes. It's only the line drawing. And remember that Revit has all these components that you can draw as if you were in AutoCAD. If you wanted to draw the whole thing in 2D, that would be a little dummy, but why not? So we're going to do 3 rectangles, and I'm going to do them like a little bit aside, so just here. So we also learn how to do basic shapes. I'm going to do LI. LI stands for line. If you want to know where the L line is, you can do an annotate line and we'll see the difference. Detail line, DL, or architectural line. It's model line, LI, okay? We're doing a model line for this example. Under modify, I'm going to do rectangles, and I'm not going to care too much. I know that is, let me go there. It's vertical, horizontal, horizontal, okay? And just one vertical here, another horizontal, and another horizontal. I know that's snapping. I happen to know that this corresponds with that one. Now let's see, 103, 143. How do we change a rectangle once we have done it? The best way to do that, in that regards also to walls or any other element, is selecting one of the elements, like a line, and it will give you the dimension. Instead of stretching, I recommend using the dimension lines that appear once you select something. 103. So what you do is select and click on the dimension 103. Now the 103 is probably the horizontal, no? Yeah. So 143. 143. That, no, you did it wrong. Okay, select that one. 103, no? And again, it's not correct. This is 103. No, it doesn't. 143. Perfect. Next, 126, 97 feet and 6 inches. Okay, 126. So I'm going to select 97 feet. You draw directly the feet symbol. 6 inches. No, it's 96.7. It's good. Now you select that one. So it could be tricky. It gives you a different dimension. Sometimes you have to click another object. And now we have to say 126. Now I don't know where this one is, but I know it's somewhere around there, so I'm just going to click it. Another thing I know that this is the axis of these two are actually the same, the center axis. So what I'm going to do is tap on that one to select it. Well, first I'm going to do another line, LI, center, take it up there, select. Remember, you can just shift to deselect, or you can press tab to select the chain of elements. MV stands for moving, and I can go from that point to that point. If you don't know how to move, again, tab, select, you have the moving option here. I recommend moving, copying, or anything you want after you select. Okay, next, 146 and 6 inches and 97 and 6. So 97 feet 6 inches. And V, I know this one actually is right there. And V again, horizontal. Okay, so this is the problem when you link things. Let me go back. When you link things, that's the thing about Revit, that actually it links its relationships as well. So just snap to it and don't touch it. And now it's 146 feet and 6 inches. No? So I select this one, 146 feet 6 inches. Oops. Move. Now I don't know what is this dimension yet, so I'm just gonna check on the drawing that comes afterwards. So these are the 3 boxes that are correct now. So let's go to the next step. There's 38 between each other. But I'm going to start moving it to the real side. It's 16 feet and 6 inches from this left side. What I will do is create a couple lines here. Oops. That represent that distance, 16 feet 6 inches. 16 feet 6 inches, come down. So, and 5 feet, LI, 5 feet. I'm doing basically offsets, 10 feet, 10, there you go. So now I know that this guy, MV as in move, comes here. So I can delete, actually it doesn't come there, it comes MV here. I also know that this is 1086. You can even copy here if you want, if you're lazy like me. It's offset from the previous one, so actually 86 feet 6 inches. Okay, so this one MV comes here. Okay, I can start deleting things that I really don't need. I can also do DI, stands for dimension. You can always go to annotate and align and start getting dimensions and see if they're correct. 16 and 6, good. DI 5, I'm going to delete those as they go because I really don't need them. I can double check that this one is correct. This is 103, it was here, 103 is correct. Okay, we have another one here, it's 108, sorry, 38. You can do an offset. I'm just going to do an offset now so you get also other ways of doing it. Modify, you have the option mode, and you can click here on 38, and you just stay on top of the line, and you click that. Okay. Oops. Good. You can select that one. MV, move it. MV, snap. Delete. DI to see if things are correct. 38. Now that's not correct. 86 and 6, obviously. So, and because that one dependent, this one is incorrect. So don't worry about that. DI, that's 10. That's 10. This axis 5, 10, 86, 11. DI 11. So now we're cool. So this should get to a point after inserting those offsets. Disregard the one is here. It's not working.